Welcome to Diamond Printing Press. In this video, we want to tell you how to use our online sales system to submit your printing orders. First, visit our website at www.diamond-press.com. Then, click on Sign In. To log in to our online sales system, please enter the same mobile number that you have used for creating your account. Now, as you see, you are in the main page for ordering. To select your product, click on Shop and open Products page. Before uploading your file, please check our guideline. Make sure that your file has been prepared according to our guideline. Then you can select product quantity, one-sided or two-sided. Then click on Start Ordering. And the next step, click here. First, you need to select Front File. Then select back side of your file. If your order does not have any extended services, click on Next. In this page, you can see invoice details, and you can see your order size, quantity, price, and extended services. After checking invoice details, click on Confirm Order. Then use your credit to pay and finally order your product.